Hey, Grego's here. Grego. Hey, dog. AKA Andrew, sit-up master. What? Sit-up? Push-up master. And Greta Ray, of course. Because Greta Ray loves driving, don't we all? So, what are we doing? Progress on bloody Jasper. Jasper, my man. Where are we up to? Wow, that step's in. These steps took a bit of a fight to get them in. They didn't quite line up as nice as some, and every brand is a little bit different. Sometimes you have a win with the cheaper stuff, and other times you just battle it. So anyway, in the end, you know, you might have to make an extra couple of cuts and all that and get it all where it needs to go. But the main thing is you got this good here and your door gap's right. So we've had the door on there, it's got a nice gap. All that's in epoxy up the top there, ready for a bit of filler. Yeah, and this one's all done. Same thing, testing with the door on. Just got a little bit of a bit more weld to do there. What else has Andrew been doing? What else do we got? There you go, all in there as well. So that was all people like putting on this textured stuff. If you're gonna put textured stuff on, you want to make sure that the metal's at least clean. So yeah, that's so this patch, that a lot of them rust out there, just about all of them. So that's done. But on the other side of that is, you'll see, that's where it's all been welded up there. A few sprinkles of bloody MIG wire there, because that's the thing. Like I know guys, and the only thing they work on is super duper brand new clean metal, nothing else. And in the reality world of budget restoration, because not everyone's got 30 or 40k to bloody spend on these things, or more. Heard some obscene stories of the amount of money spent on Kombis. Obscene, unnecessary. So that's yeah, so Andrew's going to do the floor tomorrow, so that's exciting. The floor, putting that floor in there is probably the biggest out of all the rust jobs, and that is going to be kicked off tomorrow. So just going to check all those inners, like do a few repairs here and there before putting the sheets down, because it's easier to repair it while it's off. And then yeah, so what did we get? I'll show you the old one. So this was the old pop-out frame. So that's the base that sits in the window, not the part that actually pops out, and that's all rooted. So this was only ordered a couple of days ago, so pretty impressive that it got here already. I'm still waiting from that package from Brisbane. It's still in Brisbane according to the tracking, and that's for Bentley, which is already down the road. So heaven knows when that's going to get here. But yeah, anyway, so this one is going to be a good replacement for that. So the only thing we've got to do on this part, besides a general tidy up, is this hole there has actually got to be a small metal tab like on that side. So we'll cut a bit of rod and put that in, and then that'll slot into there, and happy days. So that's yeah, so that came, and there's also seals. It's a windscreen seal, a cool splitty badge, and this is one seal for the fixed window, and that one's for the other part. So basically, yeah, there's a few pieces to go. Oh, and the other one we've just sat in there, so working it all out. So yeah, that's but none of that will be fitted until this hole's fixed. But yeah, we're going to Andrew likes that time lapse. Well, I reckon it looks cool too, something a bit different, so you can actually not just talk about the work that's been done, but also watch it being done, but without the massive time needed that it takes to do in real life. So time lapse is cool. So Andrew's going to have the camera rolling for this tomorrow, so I reckon that's pretty cool. So we're traveling well on this old boy. Well, you just don't know these days. Jasper to me is a boy, so you know, Jasper the ghost. Where's he hiding? What are you doing there? What are you hiding for? Yeah, I'm just showing everyone my camera setup. So I did some more filming from the top of what's his name? Bosley. So yeah, and I had this strapped up here and I was watching the roof, and yeah, so doing a few more video footages. So just at the filling stage in Bosley, and but yeah, this video is about Jasper and the progress. So going well. That's all the front section sorted. Oh, and in here, looking at this, we may have to, we will have to dig a bit. Got to jack the car up like we've done on the other side, remove the wheel, and then get rid of some of this stuff here, the black stuff, because it's obviously hiding rust. So got to dig away, and I dare say that you're going to end up with the same patches here also as on the other side, but that's all part of it. That's all part of the job. So yeah, all right, that was a quick update, and quick is good. So we'll talk to you later, I guess. Bye.